The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is Thursday, and our gospel will be coming from St. Matthew chapter 13, verses 47 to 53. The kingdom of God is likened to a dragnet, wherein the fisherman will gather everything that comes into the net. And at the end, he will separate the good fish from the bad fish. The good will be taken, and the bad fish will be thrown into the burning furnace. My dear friends, the gospel is reminding all of us that all of us are called by the Lord. All of us are welcome to enter into the kingdom of God. However, we have to make it sure that at the time when the Lord will come again, when He will judge us all, we hope that we will be found as one of the good fish. In other words, we have to do our best to be worthy to belong to the kingdom of God. The Lord is always making it sure that we will be blessed with the needed grace. However, the question is, what are we doing with the grace given to us? Are we taking advantage of the grace given to us to make our lives better, or we are simply dismissing them without actually putting them into use for the benefit of our souls? God is a merciful God. The grace will always be sufficient for us. Let us endeavor that at the end, we will be found worthy to belong in God's kingdom. God bless you.